In this video we are going to learn about sort and sorted method in the Python. Even in many interviews this question has been asked, and being a Python developer you should know the difference between sort and sorted method and which one you should use. Let's talk about the sort function. Sort function perform in place sorting. It means that it modifies the existing list. Sort is a list method. When we should use this sort method, whenever we want to modify the existing list, in that case we should use the sort function. Let's write the sort function. Example of my list. To sort this list, I'm just writing my list and I'm using the sort function. And if you print this sort function, you will get the sorted list. Let's execute the program. You will see the sorted numbers in the list. Now let's talk about the sorted function. Instead of sorting the existing list, it creates the new list. And the use case is like whenever you want to create a new sorted list, instead of modifying the existing list, you should use the sorted function. Let's create the same list, my list, and I'm just assigning the list here. It contains the numbers. Now I'm just going to use the sorted method, and inside that I'm just passing the my list. So whenever you use the sorted method, it will not modify the existing list, it will create the new list. I'm just assigning the new list here, and now print new list. So if you execute the program, you are getting the sorted numbers. What is the difference between sort and sorted functions? So sort functions actually modifies the existing list. Sorted functions create the new list instead of modifying the existing list. So whenever you want to modify the existing list, you should use sort method, and whenever you want to create a new list instead of modifying the existing list, in this case you should use sorted function. So this is all about this video. Hope you enjoy and learn something new. If you are interested to learn Python, don't forget to follow us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.